Okay. So good evening all. Welcome to Ganitagya Academy. Myself Professor Hitesh, and let me start today's session. We are continuing our trigonometry. Okay. चलिए. So let me start with first question for today. That is question number 11. That is very easy question. Find the value of this and let me move to, then we will move to next question. चलिए. If 10a plus cot a is equal to 5, we have to find out 10 square a plus cot square a. Okay. चलिए. So let me solve it. Okay, so for this what we will do, just square both the side. We are having 10a plus cot a is equal to 5, square both the side. So that will be 10a plus cot a, its square, is equal to 5 square. Okay, so now we will apply a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is 10 square a plus cot square a plus 2 into 10a into cot a, that is equal to 5 square is 25. Now we know 10a into cot a is equal to 1, because 10a is equal to 1 upon cot a. So now this will be 2 only, is equal to 25. So here it is 10 square a plus cot square a. So what is required? We require 10 square a plus cot square a. So 10 square a plus cot square a is equal to 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. Okay, this is the answer. Please write it down. Let me know when done. Okay, so written down. Okay, let me move to next question. So next question is C. This is the given is 4 sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta. ठीक है, given 4 sin theta equal to 3 cos theta. So we have to find number 1 sin theta. चलिए try करिए, then I will let you know. So what we will do, very nice, perfect. So from here we will say sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 3 upon 4. So sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So I will say P is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Isn't it? So now it is clear. Now hypotenuse will be under root P square plus B square, that is 5. Okay. So now sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3 upon 5. ठीक है, चलिए perfect, very nice. So let me give you more questions also. चलिए, next we have to find out cos theta, then we have to find out cot square minus cosec square theta. चलिए करिए सॉल्व, फिर इसको भी सेकंड को भी, इसको रफ कर दें और लेट मी सॉल्व इट हियर. Number 2 is cos theta, very easy. So cos theta will be 4 upon 5, that is base upon hypotenuse. So A is done, B is done. Now cot square minus cosec square. Chaliye. So what you will do, we are having two methods. First of all, cot theta is base upon perpendicular, that is 4 upon 3. Next is cosec square theta, cosec theta. So cosec theta will be 1 upon sin theta, means hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is 5 by 3. So according to question, cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to, क्या करेंगे, cot square theta means 4 upon 3 square minus 4 upon 3 square minus 5 by 3 square. ठीक है, so 1 upon 4 square upon 3 square, 5 square upon 3 square. So that will, you will get -1। सी कैसे, 3 स्क्वायर को कॉमन निकाल लीजिए, 3 स्क्वायर को कॉमन निकाल लीजिए, 4 स्क्वायर कितना 16 -25 -9/9 that is -1. So answer is -1. ठीक है, write it down, let me know when done. Yes, completed. Let me move ahead. चलिए, perfect. So let me clear this. Now again and again I used to derive it again and again. You can derive also. Cot theta is cos upon sin theta minus cosec is 1 upon sin theta. So I can write it cos square theta minus 1 upon sin square theta. Now you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta minus 1 is minus sin square theta. So it is minus sin square theta upon sin square theta is equal to -1. So it will be always independent of theta. You can write that, remember it as an identity, cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. ठीक है, always use as a identity. Write it down, then let me know. Okay, very good. So let me clear this. Now its fourth part is also there, that 4 cos square theta minus 3 sin square theta plus 2, that we have to find out. So what you can do, चलिए, so cos theta we know, cos theta हमारा कितना आया था, put it down. So हमने लिखा था sin theta 3/5, ये लिखा था 4/5. just put the values. So it will be 4. Cos theta means 4/5 square minus 3 sin theta 3/5 square plus 2. Just solve it and find the values. So it will be 4 square, 4 cube. We can say 4 cube upon 5 square minus 3 cube upon 5 square plus 2. So it will be 4 cube means 64 upon 25 minus 27 upon 25 plus 2. Take 25 LCM common. So 64 minus 27 plus 25 into 2, it will be 15. Okay, so 84 plus 50, that is 114 minus 27 1 upon 25. So it will be very good, perfect, 87/25. चलिए इसको मिक्स्ड, दिस इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, क्योंकि जब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से ग्रेटर होता है, सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो वी कैन राइट इट 75 plus 12 upon 25. So it will be 312 upon 25. Am I clear? चलिए, write it down. So question number 12 is also completed. चलिए, okay, so let me move to question number 13. चलिए, first of all the question is 17 cos theta is equal to 15. Okay, so I can say that cos theta is equal to 15 upon 17. Cos theta is 15 upon 17. Now we have to find out tan theta plus 2 sec theta. We have to find out tan theta plus sec theta. ठीक है, so cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So base is 15, hypotenuse is 17. So हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर। ठीक है, सो हाइपोटेनियस इज 17 स्क्वायर, परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर, बेस इज 15 स्क्वायर। ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम हियर p square will be 17 square minus 15 square, that is 17 minus 15 into 17 plus 15, that is p square. So p square will be 17 minus 15 will be 2 and it will be 32. So it will be 4 into 16, that is 64. So it is 8 square. So p will be 8. So now we can find out what we have to find out. We have to find out tan theta plus 2 sec theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular क्या है यहाँ पर? Perpendicular is 8 upon base. Base is 15 plus 2. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and cos theta is, so I can write it 17 upon 15 into. So it is 8 upon 15 plus 34 upon 15. So it will be 42 upon 15, isn't it? So I can write it 30 plus 12 upon 15, that is 2, 12 upon 15. ठीक है, write it down. Let me know when done. चलिए, so let me clear this. This is done. चलिए, so let me move to question number next. अच्छा, it is having one more part. अच्छा, question number 14. Okay, so given 5 cos a, given क्या है 5 cos a minus 12 sin a is equal to 0. We have to find out sin a plus cos a and 2 cos a minus sin a. Very easy, सभी अच्छे ध्यान दीजिए. Method 1. Method 1 is 5 cos a minus 12 sin a is equal to 0. Hence I can write 5 cos a is equal to 12 sin a. Hence tan a is equal to 5 upon 12. Sin upon cos, that is 5 upon 12. It is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 5, base is 12. So hypotenuse will come 30 automatically. That is under root p square plus b square. Understood? This is method number 1. So tan a will be 5 upon 12. ठीक है? So what you can do? You can put it here. अच्छा, तो now we have to find out its value. So sin a plus cos a upon 2 cos a minus sin a. This is method number 1. Second method will be easier. So sin a कितना हो गया? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse 5 by 30 plus cos a is 12 upon 30 divided by 2 into 12 upon 30 minus sin a 5 by 30, isn't it? Yes. So this is one method. So 5 by 13, अच्छा 13 will be common. So 5 plus 12 upon 24 minus 5. So it will be 17 upon 19. This is the answer. This is with the help of method number 1. Yes, perfect. Written down. This is method number 1. Let me write it here very small. Method 2. What you do? Sin a upon cos a. You found out this is sin a upon cos. ठीक है, तो what you will do in this? Take cos a common. take cos A common, so it will be sin A upon cos A plus 1 upon cos A common, so 2 minus sin A कितना है, sorry sin A upon cos A, so cos A cancel, so it will be sin A upon cos A कितना है 5 upon 12 plus 1 2 minus 5 upon 12, ठीक है. So again this will get the same answer, this will also give the same answer. So 5 plus 12 17, 24 minus 5 19, and 12 will cancel. This is also another method, ठीक है. Write it down, let me know when done. Okay, so let me clear this. Now let me move to next one. So next question is, in the given figure angle C is equal to 90 degree and D is midpoint of AC. Find this one. Acha, let me draw the figure. So the figure is, we are having BC. This is BC. Okay, and this is AC. Okay, so A and B connected and midpoint of AC. Okay, angle C is given 90 degree. Okay, D is the midpoint of AC. This is point D. Okay, now so let me draw this also, join this. So now the question is, find 10 CAB. So CAB means this angle, CDB this angle, ठीक है. चलिए, so 10 angle CAB. So which triangle we will take? Bigger triangle CBA, that is perpendicular, means BC upon base. So base is AC. Similarly 10 CDB. So CDB perpendicular will be same BC and divide by CD, and given D is the midpoint of AC, so AD equal to DC equal to AC upon 2. So now let me take ratio, 10 angle CAB upon 10 angle CDB equal to BC upon AC divided by BC upon CD. So BC cancel, it will be CD upon AC, and CD is given by AC upon 2 and AC, so it will be 1 by 2. This is the very easy answer. Yes, perfect, correct one. Okay, if first one done, then find out second also, that is triangle ABC. ABC पहले bigger angle, and then DBC means this angle, ठीक है, this one and this one, ठीक है. चलिए बनाइए. Okay, so this is done. Now let me move to second one. चलिए, so second one क्या है? ओहो, wait a minute. Yes, so second one is, हमको, चलिए wait for 1 minute, let me clear this, because figure we have to redraw. चलिए, so now we have to find out 10 angle ABC. So ABC bigger triangle we have to see, ABC. So ABC में क्या हुआ? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AC upon hypotenuse is AB. Am I correct? For any doubt, let me know. Similarly 10 angle CDB, that will be DC upon BD. इन दोनों का रेशियो we have to find out. So how we will find out? See, yes, बताइए.
And angle ABC is equal to AC upon BC, not AB.
ट्रायंगल ए बी सी परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन, फिर से बोलिए। यस यस, आई थॉट इट इज साइन, इट इज सॉरी, it is 10. Yes, perpendicular upon base, so AC upon base, yes, perfect, sorry. And CD भी ना, नहीं DBC, सॉरी, अच्छा मैंने बेस अलग ले लिया, ABC हो गया DBC, so DBC perpendicular will be, it will be DC and upon BC. Now it is very easy. Again it will be 2, isn't it? So 10 angle ABC upon 10 angle DBC is AC upon BC, and it is DC upon BC. BC cancelled. So now it will be AC upon DC. So AC is 2 times, है ना, 2 times DC, and DC is DC cancel. It will be 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay, let me know when done. Chaliye. So let me clear this. Let me move to next question. Okay. So first of all, what is given? The given is 3 cos A is equal to 4 sin A. क्या given है? Let me write it. Okay. 3 cos A is equal to 4 sin A. ठीक है? Okay. So what we will do? First of all, find out sin A upon cos A. That is 3 upon 4. Sin upon cos क्या होता है? 10. और 10 क्या होता है? Perpendicular upon base. So now we can say perpendicular is 3, base is 5, and hypotenuse will be, hypotenuse in this case will be, we will find out. Okay. So hypotenuse will be under root 3 square plus 5 square. So it will be 3 square will be 9, then 25, it is under root 34. ठीक है, this is one of the method. चलिए ठीक है, okay. और कुछ मिस्टेक?
Yes, sir.
yes, understood. 3 upon 4 है ये, sorry. It is 3 upon 4. Yes, so perpendicular is 3, base is 4, and hypotenuse will be under root 3 square plus 4 square, my mistake. So it will be 25. So hypotenuse will be 5. Extremely sorry. ठीक है, so hypotenuse is 5. Now we have to find out. What we have to find out? First of all, find the value of, okay, first one is cos A. So cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So what is base? So base is 4 upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 5. 4 upon 5, very easy. Now second one, it is cosec square, na? It is 3 minus cot square A plus cosec square A. Directly you must tell the answer without any calculation. It is 3 plus 1, 4. Why it is so? I told you for second. I already told you cosec square theta or any value minus cot square A is always 1, independent of value of A. Always remember, independent of value of A, this will be 1. So answer will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. But still, for your satisfaction and in the getting good marks in the exam, you may use this method also. So 3 minus cot will be 1 upon base upon perpendicular, that is 4 upon 3 square, plus cosec will be 1 upon sine. So sine is hypotenuse is, it will be 5/3. So when you will solve it, you will get 3 plus 1, that answer is 4. Let me know when done. Yes, let me know when done. Okay, so let me clear this. Now, question number 17. Sorry, yes. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. So it is right angled triangle. So immediately you can say this is, and angle B is 90. Okay. So it is A, it is B, and it is C. So this angle is 90. Okay. So 10A is given by 0.75. So 0.75 is nothing but 3/4. Already given. AC is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, very easy. Remember this, that 10A is given by 3/4. 10A is given by 3/4. So please remember, ध्यान दीजिए अच्छे से. So it is perpendicular upon base. So it doesn't mean P is 3. P is 3x. B is 4x. X can be any value, any integer, any value, any number, any whole number, any natural number. समझे? X can be any number. Okay. So now hypotenuse will be under root 3x square plus 4x square, that is 5x, and it is given by 30 centimeter. समझ रहे ना? It is given by 30 centimeter. यहाँ से x कितना आ गया? 30/5 कितना? 6. So x is 6. So AB will be perpendicular, that is 3x. नहीं, A दिया है. So BC is 3x. याद रखिएगा, A के अपोजिट वाला परपेंडिकुलर होगा, that will be 3x, and this is base 4x. ठीक है, और x की वैल्यू कितनी है? 6. So BC will be 3x is equal to 3 into 6, that is 18, and AB is equal to 4 into 6, that is 24 centimeter. Understood? लिख लीजिए, बताइए हो जाए तो. डाउट हो तो पूछिए. Okay, so let me clear this. Okay, so yes, next question is, in rhombus ABCD. ABCD एक rhombus है. rhombus का definition पता है ना? All sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. ठीक है, चलिए. So let me draw one rhombus first. Diagonals intersect each other at the intersect each other, bisect each other. ठीक है, चलिए, एक ये हो गया ABCD, ABCD. ठीक है, पहले मुझे थोड़ा सा गलत शायद तक मेथड से बना रहा हूं. ओके, बस रिमेंबर, these are the 90 degree, all are 90 degree. ठीक है, let us say midpoint is O. Midpoint is O. So it means AO is equal to OC is equal to AC upon 2, and BO is equal to OD is equal to BD upon 2. ठीक है, BO is equal to OD is equal to BD upon 2. Okay, so now the question is, in rhombus ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O. Okay, if cosine of angle CAB, कहां पर है CAB? CAB, this one angle. Cosine of means cos CAB is equal to 0.6. So 0.6 is how much? Can I write 3 by 5? Okay. And OB is given by, O to B is given by 8 centimeter. OB is given by 8 centimeter. ठीक है? OB is given by 8 centimeter. Find the lengths of the sides and diagonals of the rhombus. चलिए, very easy. First of all, OB is 8 centimeter. So BD is directly 16 centimeter. चलिए, first one is clear. Now, all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to DC is equal to AD. All sides are equal. ठीक है? So, understood? चलिए, write it down. इतना क्लियर हुआ? Now, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. OB you know. OB, only OB you know. है ना? कोसाइन पता है. तो कोसाइन क्या होगा? बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. तो बेस क्या होगा? OA. तो cos CAB equal to OA upon AB is equal to 3 upon 5. So now I can write OA is equal to 3x and AB is equal to 5x. Okay. So now you can say OB is equal to 8 given है ना? ठीक है? So OB square is equal to AB square minus OA square. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, क्योंकि AB क्या है? हाइपोटेनियस. So AB square that is hypotenuse. चलिए, हुआ? So OB square equal to AB square minus OA square. ठीक है? हाँ, yes. So understood ना? Because OB square is the perpendicular, OA is base and AB is hypotenuse. ठीक है? In this case, so OB square कितना है? 8 square. AB square कितना है? 5x square minus 3x square. When you will solve it, 8 square you will get 4 square x square. So you will get 4x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 2. It means x is equal to 2. ठीक है? If x is equal to 2, can you find out OA? OA is equal to 3x. So 3 into 2 कितना? 6 centimeter. Now AB is 5 into 2, 10. Then OA, नहीं, OA हो गया. Next is OB. OB is directly given 8 centimeter. ठीक है? चलिए, इतना लिख लीजिए. Let me know when done. So we will move to next one. है ना? चलिए, यहाँ पर ये तो लिखा होगा सभी ने. चलिए. So now the question asked to us is length of side. All sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to AD. सभी कितने हैं? 10 centimeter. Let me know if you are having any doubt or correct me if I have done anything wrong. कुछ कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कुछ हुआ, एक बार कंफर्म करिए. Okay, no doubt till now. Now OA is equal to AC upon 2. So AC will be 2 OA. So 2 into OA is 6, that is 12 centimeter. ठीक है? चलिए, ये भी हुआ. Now next one is OB. OB is 8 centimeter. So BD is कर चुके ना हम सॉल्व, that is 16 centimeter. No issue. Everything is clear? Let me know when done. Okay, so let me clear this. Now Let me move to question number 19. चलिए, and this is our last question for today, and then 20 will be your homework question. चलिए करिए, ट्राई करिए. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC equal to 15 centimeter and BC is 18 centimeter. करिए. चलिए, let me solve. Okay, so in triangle ABC, let us say this is triangle ABC. It means this is isosceles triangle. It means this is isosceles triangle. So it is A, this is B, this is C. So AB equal to 15 centimeter. ठीक है, AC is equal to 15 centimeter and BC is equal to 18 centimeter. What we will do? We will take a perpendicular bisector because it is isosceles triangle. अगर हमने यहां से इसके मिड पॉइंट पे ड्रॉ किया, परपेंडिकुलर बनाया, so it will bisect it because it is this one is isosceles right angle triangle, then only it will be perpendicular bisector, है ना. एनी ट्रायंगल में यू कैन नॉट से कि अगर हमने इसको परपेंडिकुलर आया तो बाइसेक्ट किया, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. ओनली इज आइसोसेलियस ट्रायंगल इट इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ओके, बिकॉज वी कैन यूज कॉन्ग्रुएंस प्रॉपर्टी आल्सो, यू कैन सी दैट. ठीक है, एंगल 90 डिग्री. ठीक है, sides are equal and this side is common, so it is a congruence criterion से हम बोल पाएंगे that this is M, so BM is equal to MC, so and angle is 90 degree. ठीक है, so you can say BM equal to MC equal to BC upon 2, that is 18 upon 2, that is 9 centimeter. Now the question is cos B. Cos B will be base, that is BM upon AB, that is 9 upon 50, that is 3 3s are 3 5s are. Understood? तो फर्स्ट वन इज डन. सेकंड पूछा है sin C. Sin C will be perpendicular, that is AM upon AC. AM के लिए क्या करेंगे? We have to use Pythagoras theorem. We have to use Pythagoras theorem. So you can say AC square equal to AM square plus MC square. So AC is 15 square, AM is unknown, plus MC square, that is 9 square. So AM will be 15 square minus 9 square will be 12 centimeter. 225 minus 81, 144, and that is 12 centimeter. So sin C will be AM is 12 upon 15. Understood? चलिए करिए. Let me know when done. Now its third part is 10 square minus sec square plus 2. So I must tell you, you must answer me directly because 10 square minus sec square is minus 1. The property is, I already told you, sec square b minus 10 square b is always 1. So 10 square b minus sec square b is equal to minus 1, is equal to minus 1. So answer will be 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So answer must be 1. ठीक है, write it down. Let me know when done. And question number next, I'll show you, that will be your homework question. Okay, so let me clear. And question number next is your homework question. Please write it down or take a screenshot and send me answer on our WhatsApp group. ठीक है, चलिए.